Hey y'all, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about XRP. Happy Saturday wherever you are around the world. This is a very interesting update, so make sure you watch it till the absolute end. So, as we did start off Saturday, we did see the overall altcoin market actually go up even more compared to last night. And the reason as to why that was the case is because the dominance index actually did go lower. And of course, right now, specifically as we're recording this updated, Bitcoin price has seen a little bit of a minor pullback. But, as far as the bigger picture is concerned, guys, things are looking absolutely amazing for altcoins, which again is long overdue. If you look at it from the weekly standpoint, pretty much double-digit gains across the market right now, which is of course really nice. So I'm sure anyone that has been picking up altcoins over the course of the last 2 to 3 weeks while there was massive bloodbath across the board, I'm sure your portfolio is looking amazing right now with a lot of green. But anyhow, if you're looking at XRP 61.56 cents, it actually did make its way back above 62 cents. We will obviously pull out the charts later in the video going over that. In Bitcoin comparative, it's actually up 1.6%, market cap at 35 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about 1.34 billion dollars. So not bad at all. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So I really want to talk about something that has, the crypto market actually, people in the crypto community, to be specific, and even in the Ripple community, are actually buzzing right now due to this news. So SEC against Kraken, and this does impact Ripple as well, because it really shows you that the landscape is completely changing. And speaking about the landscape changing, this time around, the crypto market, pretty much the huge driving force behind it is massive institutional money flowing in. ETFs has changed the game, and of course, you can come out and say, retail investors are definitely here as well. But yeah, that's definitely the case. But in a grand scheme of things, if you're looking at the money inflows, the big money is flowing from institutional interest, and we're seeing the entire landscape changing right in front of our eyes. But this is a great news. We're gonna go over this, and really shows, speaking about the landscape, things are changing. So today, the federal court for the Northern District of California ruled ruled as a matter of law that none of the tokens trading on Kraken are securities. This is a significant win for Kraken for the principle of clarity and for crypto users everywhere. It also confirms Kraken's long-standing position that it does not list securities. Santori also added, "Today's ruling confirms what we've been saying all along. The SEC cannot credibly regulate crypto by enforcement to deliver clarity to the industry, to protect consumers, and foster the growth of blockchain technology. Congress must pass a comprehensive market structure framework." And the SEC unqualified lost on the tokens are securities theory and will not be permitted to rely on it going forward. Instead, it will be proven for every alleged transaction on Kraken that the Howey test factors are satisfied. Amazing. And Ripple Chief Legal Officer Stewart has come out and said, his opinion regarding this. So another court, this time in the Kraken case, confirms there's no such thing as a crypto asset security. Bad news for the SEC, whose entire regulation by enforcement strategy hinges on that failed premises. Lawyer Bill Morgan highlights the significance of this ruling, saying the decision in the SEC against Kraken today is another endorsement of Judge Torres' reasoning in the SEC against Ripple decision that the token itself is not a security. And SEC is thinking about a security from the financial standpoint, but when you look at a native token and you look at the utility a native token provides, it's completely completely opposite of a security. I kind of understand where they're coming from, but the fact that these guys are giving the green light to the likes of Ethereum. I get Bitcoin, it's a different story, but Ethereum, if Ethereum is not a security, what ground do they have to come out and say other projects are securities that are native tokens of blockchains? I can never understand that. Do let me know in the comments down below if you guys are on the same page. Like, if you're allowing, so of course, the Judge Torres also said that, XRP itself is not a security, which is, clearing another thing right in front of us. But, why is SEC specifically, allowing Ethereum you know, again, Ethereum has that first mover advantage, hence you're seeing massive institutional interest in the first place. You're seeing that ETF there. And, you know, but why did they give Ethereum a green light when it's a native token for the Ethereum blockchain? But, you know, when it comes to Cardano, when it comes to Solana, when it comes to XRP, it's a total different story. Does that ring a bell? I have no idea, but a very, very interesting take on here. So shout out to Kraken. You know, this is a big win, and not just for Kraken itself, it's a big win for the XRP community. It's a big win for the crypto industry. Well, let's take a look at what's happening with the dominance index. So the dominance index, look at this, guys. I'm looking at it on the daily time frame. It actually made its way down to 56.85%. We're kind of building a support around this range, but it picked up traction quite fast. So like I said, as we started off Saturday, I was looking at the markets. The markets were actually looking further more green compared to where we were yesterday, but you know, it has picked up traction once again. As far as Bitcoin price is concerned, you know, Bitcoin as of now is below that 64K support line, pretty much bouncing back and forth around this range. We do close the daily candle in the next few hours, so it's going to be really important for the price to remain above here. But as I said to you guys in the last night update, it's extremely important for the price of Bitcoin to stay within this range. I don't care if it starts consolidating for you know, a week. I think we're going to see a breakout before a week, but even if we see a consolidation occurring, that's totally fine. But as long as it's above the 64,000 key level, and guess what? The whales know the significance of this zone, because if we're able to break out of this zone towards the upside, we're going to see a $70,000 Bitcoin quite fast. And again, you know, speaking about all-time high talks, you know, that has started already. And again, those are not unrealistic talks to be having. But anyhow, let's take a look at XRP. Let's give it a refresh live right now quickly to really understand what XRP's price is doing. Let me pull out the XRP chart. I don't know why it continues to go to VeChain. There we are. Okay, so look at this. Obviously, the overall market has seen a little bit of a minor pullback, as I've said, but you did see XRP making its way up to 63 cents. So slowly but surely, things are happening exactly what you want to see happening. Of course, you know, some people that come with unrealistic expectations, thinking, you know, the price of XRP needs to go above $1 in a snap of a finger. That's not going to happen. I've been quite clear about that. If you don't like that, then that's just a reality. You know, you need to accept it. If you can't, then you could have those false, you know, crazy predictions that you currently think about, which will not happen, especially, you know, $20, $30. Even $10 is a stretch in my opinion. You know, depending on what happens, if IPO launches, you know, market goes in a full super cycle, you know, depending on how the elections go, you know, we could look at, from that standpoint, maybe if the altcoin rally is the biggest one we have seen yet, and if the ETF comes live for XRP, maybe then. But as of now, you know, don't even think about the all-time highs. You need to be thinking about, you know, the 2018 all-time high for it to be retested first before you can start thinking about price discovery. But anyhow, if you're looking at the price of XRP, it's holding really, really good. You know, I spoke to you guys about how it's pretty much the 6th day in a row that the price of XRP is sitting above this key support line at 58 cents. And pretty much the resistance that you want to be looking at for is around that 64 cents mark. If this is able to clear out, you know, I have a very strong feeling you will see start, you know, XRP to get back in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and this is where the excitement kicks in. I originally think if the price of XRP does enter this zone, we might see a little bit of a rejection due to the fact that this is a massive key resistance, but you know, this is that target that, you know, obviously, as I've mentioned, is the important target that a lot of people should be eyeing as of now. So let me know your personal thoughts down below regarding this, and if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? And yeah, thank you so much for all your support. It means the world to me. I will see you guys later tonight, and yeah, stay safe out there. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.